Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and do click the notification bell so that you get notified when I do upload new videos. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do the audio FC, the exam for TranscribeMe audio FC. Okay, this is the second part of the TranscribeMe exam. I've already done the multiple choice, and if you're interested in doing the multiple choice or knowing the answers for the multiple choice, just check the link in the description below. Okay, so guys, I encourage you to read the style guide as well as make sure you understand what is expected of you in this audio. Please guys, when you start this file, this audio transcript, make sure you use lowercase and do not end your file with punctuation, okay? This is not a mistake. It's per instruction. So I'm going to play the first 10 seconds of this audio, and then, of course, you will hear it when you're doing it, or you've already heard it. I don't know.
When it comes to the more bigger macro issues, what we've learned, thanks to some things I think we suspected, but are now much more confirmed, is that there are...
Okay guys, so if you're wondering what this is, these are two ellipses that you put in a statement or a sentence when a speaker changes their train of thought mid-sentence or something like that. Well, basically, if you read your style guide, you'll understand what this means. Guys, I strongly encourage you to read the style guide, because once you get the job after having used, for example, my transcript solution, you might find it very difficult to do the jobs, and you might lose your job because you're doing things wrongly, okay? So just take the time to read the style guideline. It's pretty long, but you know, it's worth reading it. So like I said, I'm not gonna waste time. This is the transcript. Just you can go through it, okay, and use it for yourself. Remember, we don't end with any punctuation. Guys, it's very important that you do not cut, copy and paste a solution from the internet. You need to type it on your own, because the TranscribeMe algorithm will pick it up that you have copied and pasted an answer, and that can really jeopardize your chances of passing this exam. So guys, good luck with your attempt of this exam, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Oh yes, before we do that, let's just okay, submit that one. If you're interested in knowing the pass mark, please watch all my videos on TranscribeMe, and you will see the answers. You will confirm what you have just seen in the what you call this thumbnail. Okay guys, good luck and cheers.